We're going to explain how to efficiently split a large CSV file into multiple smaller CSV files based on the values in a specific column using Python and the Pandas library. This is incredibly useful when dealing with datasets too large to comfortably process all at once. Install necessary libraries. First, make sure you have Pandas installed. If not, open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install pandas. 2. Import pandas. Start your Python script by importing the Pandas library. Import pandas as PD. 3. Read the CSV. Next, read your large CSV file into a Pandas data frame using p-read-sv your file sv. Replace your file.sv with the actual path to your file. If your CSV has a header row, you don't need to specify any additional arguments. Otherwise, use the header none argument. 4. Identify the column. Determine which column you'll use to split the data. Let's assume it's named category. 5. Group the data. Use the group by method to group your data frame by the category column. Grouped equals def group by category. This groups all rows with the same category value together. 6. Iterate and save. Now, iterate through the group data and save each group to a separate CSV file. This can be done using a loop. Python for category, group and grouped, group.csv for category, CSV, index, false. This code snippet iterates through each unique category value. For each category, it takes the corresponding group of rows and saves them to a new CSV file named after the category, e.g. category A CSV, category B CSV, etc. Index false prevents Pandas from writing the data frame index to the file. 7. Error handling optional. For robustness, consider adding error handling. For example, you could use a try except block to catch potential file not found error exceptions if the input CSV doesn't exist, or handle other issues that might arise during file writing. 8. Large files and memory efficiency. Important. For extremely large CSV files that might exceed available RAM, consider using the chunk size parameter in pd.read_csv to read the file in smaller chunks. Process each chunk individually, grouping and saving the data as you go. This prevents loading the entire file into memory at once. This could look like Python chunk size equal 1000, adjust as needed for chunk in pd.read_sev your file sv, chunk size, grouped equals chunk group by category, for category, group and grouped, hash append to existing file or create new file group. To CSV, F, category.csv, mode header, false, index, false. Note the use of mode append mode, and header, false, in the second loop to avoid writing header rows repeatedly. The first chunk will write a header, subsequent chunks will only append data. This approach provides a flexible and efficient way to split your CSV file, accommodating both moderately sized and extremely large datasets. Remember to adapt the column name, category, and file paths to match your specific